Question number 7 says, water flows into a tank and a certain part of it drains out through a valve. The volume V in cubic feet of water in the tank at time t satisfies the equation dV over dt is equal to 5 minus V over 3. Find the equilibrium solution. So the equilibrium solution is when dV over dt is 0. So this one I'm actually going to graph. And I'm going to graph it from negative 10 to 10 and to 30. This is dV over dt, and this is V. So if you graph this, then it's going to look like this. So that equilibrium solution is going to be right there. So if you do calc 0, then you get 15. So the final answer will be 15, and this is in cubic feet. So 15